तासीर अलमास लाई मुकव्वी खास जुआदार खासल खास हर्बल शादी कोर्स प्लस तिल्ला मतवल खासल खास बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स, होप you are doing well. Today I am your host Hakeem and Dr. Tariq Mahmood Taseer, consultant, sexologist, alternative medicine specialist, expert, male and female infertility, chairman, Taseer Patient Welfare Society, and you are watching your favorite program Khushgwar Azadi Zindagi. Today I will explain about the disease male weakness, its causes, its symptoms and way of treatment that Taseer Duhana is offering for cure this disease, which name is Taseer Almas Lai Mukawwi Khas Joydar Khasal Khas plus Herbal Shadi Course plus Tilla Matawal Khasal Khas. Causes of male weakness. Sexual dysfunction is any physical or psychological problems that prevents you and your partner from getting sexual satisfaction. Male sexual function is a common health problem affecting men of all ages but is more common with increasing age. Treatment can often help men suffering from sexual dysfunction. Blood vessels disorders such as atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, and high blood pressure, stroke, or nerve damage from diabetes or surgery, smoking, alcoholism, and drug abuse. Psychological causes might include concern about sexual performance, material or relationship problems, depression, feelings of guilt, effect of past sexual trauma, work-related stress and anxiety. Problem with sexual functioning are common, affecting more than half of couples at some time, although sexual dysfunction rarely threaten physical health. It can take a heavy psychological toll, bringing on depression, anxiety, and debilitating feelings of inadequacy. Male sexual problem, particularly erectile dysfunction, may suggest an increased risk of vascular diseases. Viewers, now I will tell you some indication. Delayed or inhibited ejaculation, reaching orgasm too slowly or not at all. Low libido, reduced lack of sexual desire, sexual fantasizes, interest in sexual contact, inability to maintain an erection sufficient for sexual penetration, inability to reach an orgasm despite adequate sexual stimulation and sign of arousal. Now I will tell you what is erectile dysfunction. Erectile dysfunction, difficulty keeping an erection, premature ejaculation, reaching orgasm too quickly. Viewers, now I will tell you what is masturbation. Masturbation is a self-stimulate your genitals in a sexual way to the point of reaching an orgasm. Masturbation is when an individual stimulates their genital for sexual pleasure, which may or may not lead to orgasm. Masturbation is common among men of all ages. Pornography, representation of sexual behavior in books, pictures, statues, motion pictures, and other media that is intended to cause sexual excitement. Pornography significantly distort attitudes and perceptions about the nature of sexual intercourse. Men who habitually look at pornography have a higher tolerance for abnormal sexual behaviors, sexual aggressions, promiscuity, and even rape. In addition, men begin to view women and even children's sex objects commoditized or instrument for their pleasure, not a person with their own inherent dignity. By using this course, Taseer Almas Lai Mukawwi Khas Joydar Khasal Khas Herbal Shadi Course plus Tilla Matawal Khasal Khas, you can also cure these diseases. Type of diseases: premature ejaculation and ability to delay orgasm and ejaculation such that it occur very early in the course of sexual contact, leaving the other partner dissatisfied, such as the ability to control ejaculation in men last during intercourse before the penis into the vagina and are just plugged, and ejaculation is or less than 50% of the frequent orgasm in the sexual intercourse. To define premature ejaculation. Causes of premature ejaculation: some people think that spinal cord disease such as multiple sclerosis or spinal cord tumors, seizures or cerebral cortex, organic diseases such as cerebrovascular accident can cause ejaculation out of control. There are also reports suggest diabetes, cardiovascular disease, pelvic fractures, genitourinary symptom diseases such as urethritis, prostatitis, seminal and prostatic hyperplasia, masturbation, nightfall, be bisexual, porn, video, adult magazines and other sexual content can also causes premature ejaculation. Retrograde ejaculation is most common in males with diabetes who suffer from diabetes, nerve damages, problem with the nerve in the bladder and the bladder neck force the ejaculation to flow backward. In other men, retrograde ejaculation may be a side effect. Some medication are happen after the operation on the bladder, neck or prostate. I will tell you another reason, nightfall. A condition when some men ejaculate in the sleep, usually in the early hours of the morning or late night. This problem usually worsens due to the weakness in the muscular and nerves of the penis due to past bad history of the excessive masturbation, thinning of semen, viscosity, fluctuation in the hormones and a full bladder. Usually men are able to hold semen, but when the excess, then it is eliminated in the form of nightfall or late night. Men are able to hold semen, but when it's excess, then it is eliminated in the form of the nightfall. What is low libido? Reduced sexual desire. Low libido means your desire is or interest in sex has decreased. Condition is often linked with the low level of the male hormone testosterone. Testosterone maintain sex drive, sperm production, muscular hair and bone. Low testosterone can affect your body and mood. Reduced sexual desire may also be caused by depression, anxiety or relationship difficulties, diabetes, high blood pressure and certain medication like antidepressants may also contribute to a low libido. तासीर अलमास लाई मुकव्वी खास जोयदार खासर खास herbal shadi course plus tilla matawal khasar khas is very effective for improving these penis diseases. Other type of penis problem, infection in the penis, loose penis, thin penis, bumpy penis, curvature penis, small penis, bent penis, muscular fracture in penis, weak from the root, ring in the middle of the penis, paralyzed penis. Now I will tell you the treatment of these diseases. Taseer Dohana has been established since 1946 and you can recover from all these diseases by using Taseer Almas Lai, Mukawwi Khas Joydar, Khasal Khas, Herbal Shadi course plus Tilla Matawal Khasal Khas by Taseer Dohana, which is made with precious herbal and free from any side effect. Doctors and scientists of our institute Taseer Dohana work under the supervision of the Dr. Hakim Tariq Mahmood Taseer. Qualified doctor, lady doctors, pharmacists and hakims with prolonged research. Taseer Almas Lai, Mukawwi Khas Joydar, Khasal Khas, Herbal Shadi course plus Tilla Matawal Khasal Khas is a chemical-free natural supplement with no side effect. Is prepared from pure herbs and 100% effective. It is prepared under the medical principles and proper scientific method with up-to-date machinery in Taseer Pharma Private Limited. Now I will tell you extra benefits. Taseer Almas Lai, Mukawwi Khas Joydar, Khasal Khas, Herbal Shadi course plus Tilla Matawal Khasal Khas is a special and expensive courses. Consist of 6 products: Tilla Matawal Almas Lai, Khasal Khas plus Tilla Matawal Almas Lai, Khasal Khas is very smooth and soft because it's having water, not fat or other fat contains things. This leads to greater firmness in the penis organs, increase the penile tissues, endogromments, better lasting erection and much lesser occurrence of premature ejaculation. So effect can be also most immediately after the application, increase the penile size and only minimal chances of too early ejaculation. Majun Mughallas Almas Lai Khasal Khas. Majun Mughallas Almas Lai is a molecular herbal supplement help in promoting spermatogenesis by its action, improving the function of the testicles. That includes testicle, seminal vessels and epidermis function. Majun Mughallas Almas Lai Mukawwi Khas help is improving sperm count and is also beneficial in the raising the quality of semen. It is certified natural herbal formulation that not only improve the sperm count but also the morphology as well as sperm motility. Lubub-e-Azam Almas Lai Khasal Khas helps maintain the health and functioning of the entire psychological. It increase longevity, memory and intelligence, enhance immunity, elevates energy levels, decrease the effects of aging and enhance overall well-being. Lubub-e-Azam Almas Lai Mukawwi Khas is effective in strengthening and the heart, liver, muscles, enhance concentration, controlling blood pressure, maintaining the normal pulse rate and other heart diseases. It helps to maintain the balance between supply and demand of the myocardial oxygen. Sufuf Almas Lai, Makavi Khas, Juaid Khas, increase your load sperm count and semen volumes, increase sperm quality and quantity and sperm morphology. As you have already noticed, sperm enhancement is a brand new idea from the impotence and erectile dysfunction. Drugs industry, as well as it's used for increasing sperm production. It is beneficial of sperm quantity and quality and sperm morphology. If you suffer from low sperm count, now Sufuf Almas Lai, Makavi Khas, Juaid Khas will raise sperm count. The natural ingredients in it are well selected in order to improve sperm count as well as power up your sexual life, give you rock hard erection duration and make your real champion in bed. It is 100% natural herbal and has no known side effects. Khamira Almas Lai Makavi Khas stimulate the function of all major organs of the body and gives a feeling as well as being to it can strengthen and activity of brain cells, inhibit their premature aging and promote the returns of the cerebral function to normal. Effective herbal tonic for senile debility and quick recover after prolonged. It is formulated by the collection of the ingredients beneficial or heart and brain which serve as nervine and cardiac tonic. Habel Almas Lai Makavi Khas Juaidar, it gives much harder action, more stimulate, increase the size, more player, more powerful action. Erection completely cures your premature ejaculation, naturally boosts your sexual desire, a sex life you have always dreamed. Habel Almas Lai Makavi Khas enhance your sexual pleasures. It really boosts your sexual desire, strength, sexual performance and energy. We have developed a safe and unique herbal formula that makes your sexual energy explode, reduce erectile dysfunction. We develop Habel Almas Lai Makavi Khas Juaidar from natural plants, seeds, berries, roots, leaves, barks and flowers, extracted from the natural herbs. Sign of ultimate sexual power. Work with 30 to 45 minutes and enjoy whole night. It is unique formulation, contains safe natural ingredients which are known to increase sexual desire, sexual stamina and self-confidence by increasing peripheral blood flow, because the ingredients in Taseer Almas Lai Makavi Khas Juaidar Khasal Khas Herbal Shadi Course and plus Tilla Mutawal Khasal Khas highest quality and verified or purity, their potency is much more effective, stable, predictable and efficient. As it is multi-purpose courses, so it also boosts the sexual power of the person and improve physical health. Precautions. After researching various natural herbs in the light of the essence of ancient and modern medical research and his long medical observation, discover the safe and effective method of the effective Taseer Almas Lai Makavi Khas Juaidar Herbal Shadi Course plus Tilla Mutawal Khasal Khas and complete cure of the restoration of mental and physical strength. Rely on the natural remedies because that is the only cure which does not have any side effects. Precautions. Avoid pornographic ideas, pornographic literature or movies. Avoid fast foods. Avoid all spicy foods and cold drinks. So viewers, if you or your non-person has a male weakness problem, then come to Taseer Dohana and use Taseer Almas Lai Makavi Khas Juaidar Khasal Khas Herbal Shadi Course plus Tilla Mutawal Khasal Khas Juaidar, which will cure all penis diseases and male weaknesses problem. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our YouTube channel and click on bell icon. I will see you again in my next video in which we will discuss new diseases topic and its treatment. So viewers, it's time to say goodbye. Have a nice day.